A footballer kicks a ball at an angle. You know the height it reaches and the distance traveled. But what angle did he kick it? Today we learn how to find unknown angles using trigonometry. Remember SOH cast TOA? Sine equals opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine equals adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent equals opposite over adjacent. These ratios help us find sides, but they can also find angles. If sine of an angle equals 0.5, how do we find the angle? We use the inverse function, written sine minus 1. This reverses the operation. It takes a ratio and gives back the angle. There are three inverse functions. Use inverse sine, inverse cosine, or inverse tangent depending on which two sides you know. Think of it like this. The ratio is the ingredient. The angle is the dish you are cooking. Example 1. A right triangle has an opposite side of 3 and a hypotenuse of 5. Find angle K2. First, which sides do we have? Opposite and hypotenuse. That means we use sine. Sine K2 equals 3 over 5, which is 0.6. Now apply inverse sine. On your calculator, press Shift then Sine, type 0.6. The answer is 36.87 degrees. Example 2, slightly harder. A right triangle has an adjacent side of 4 and an opposite side of 7. Find angle Chi2. We have opposite and adjacent, so we use tangent. Tangent theta equals 7 over 4, which is 1.75. Apply inverse tangent, press Shift then tan on your calculator. Theta equals 60.26 degrees. Common mistake. Students often put the hypotenuse on top. Remember, sine is opposite over hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always the denominator. If your ratio is greater than 1, something is wrong. To find an angle, follow 3 steps. Identify your two sides. Pick the right ratio. Apply the inverse function. Remember this phrase, old auntie has some old hens. O over H is sine. O over A is tangent. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this one. Visit ovasaabi.com to access notes, past papers and more. See you in the next lesson.